Have you listened to the songs Hotline Bling or Worst Behavior? Come on, you must have heard In My Feelings. Everyone has heard it. It is one of the most famous songs sung by the rapper Drake. You must have heard his songs on repeat, isn't it? But have you ever come across the fact that Drake owns a massive mansion that costs almost $100 million? Yes, he owns a massive mansion which is expensive. Drake may have started on the ground but is now in the Toronto Mega Custom Mansion designed for royalty. Do you want to have a look at this massive mansion? So we have got you right. Welcome back to Money Future. Today in the next few minutes, I am gonna take you inside Drake's $100 million mansion, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Today's video, we are going to discuss all the interior and how Drake came across this mansion and owns it. We will discuss everything in today's video, so stay tuned and watch till the end and let us reveal the secrets of this beautiful mansion owned by Drake. The customized mansion is Drake's unintentional viral hit star. Each room of the house will draw your attention for completely different reasons. With Kobe real jerseys on display, prizes full in the metal chamber, Andy Warhol's painting of Mao sitting in the background, everything in Drake's house seems to have a story behind it. He has made the house with full thought so that every place brings him some amount. What do you guys think? Ever since Drake bought a 2-hectare property in the Toronto area, the ultra-luxe bridal path in 2016, and unveiled luxury plans such as a palace to call home, he has been keeping us posted on Instagram with small photos from the construction site. Because I was building in my area, I wanted the building to last 100 years. I wanted it to be big and sensible, Drake said in an interview. It will be one of the things I leave behind, so it should have been permanent and strong. After the huge 35,000 square foot mansion was finally completed, Champagne Papi did not hesitate to invite his fans on a trip to the magnificent home. As expected, the visit was said to have taken place on Drake's Instagram page, as the Canadian-born artist ensured that no uninvited guests could see inside the area by hanging walls of 4.4 meters, twice the length allowed in the area, but found the city. In order to maintain privacy and security, the City of Toronto granted special permission last September to its city hero Drake to build a fence more than twice the length allowed. Drake spent more than $1 million on a 20-foot-tall trees along the fence to get into the area. Now, the mansion serves as a setting for the Grammy winners' recording, and will likely be heavily featured on Champagne Papi's Instagram as the closure continues. The In My Feelings rapper bought $6.7 million in a special bridal path area in northeast Toronto in 2016, which later turned it into a $100+ million site adorned with renowned Canadian designer Ferris Rafali. This is a magnificent place located in North York, Toronto, lined with luxury mansions owned by celebrities such as Celine Dion or Robert Herjavec. Even Prince bought a house here in 2001 after marrying Toronto-born Manuela Testolini. In fact, Regina George's house, for those of us old enough to remember The Mean Girls, an iconic show, was located near the corner of Drake's house. Drake had big plans for the bridal path, and he soon began to use them, and his 35,000 square foot royal palace began to sprout. And as Champagne Papi shares, he kept us informed of progress, sharing videos on Instagram of ongoing construction work. Does Drake also show the interior of the house on his Instagram? Of course, yes, he did. He flaunted his spacious living room, the home of a roaring fireplace with a long mirror hanging over it. Here, large chandeliers measure the upper ceiling, and a large piano sits in the corner of one of the rooms. Drake also gave fans a view of his large kitchen, which boasts a beautiful marble island and rows of blue chairs for his guests to dine on. In line with the maximalist decor, large chandeliers adorn the ceiling, but do not think for a second that they are limited to living spaces. In fact, the stairs, specially made of marble cantilevered block pendants, are decorated with sharp chandeliers that create a radiant effect. Oh, and we talked about the toilet? The rapper's home comes with a unique toilet that plays cool music to relax while you do your business. Not to mention that it produces colorful lights and the lid automatically lifts, so even going to the bathroom can be fun. Let me know in the comments section, how much time do you want to spend in this toilet alone? The central area of the main bathroom is a 4,000-pound bath of black face marble engraved on one block. Surprisingly, Drake's two-story cabinet is adorned with amethyst hardware, rock crystal, and diamond-encrusted chairs with nickel-polished nails. It is a perfect place to showcase a wide artist's wardrobe, a collection of sneakers, and a collection of Hermes Birkin's collection of treasures that have been accumulating for years. Previous reports have reported that the master suite alone is twice the size of a typical apartment and has 2 covered floors, a hot tub, a dressing room, a kitchen, and a steam shower, among other things. The bed also has a basketball court that complies with NBA rules, which would not fit the Toronto Raptors international ambassador unless it is branded with Drake's brand OVO. Also, the multi-award-winning artist gave fans an in-depth tour of the stunning manor in his music video Toosie Slide, where he is seen dancing through multiple rooms while he is bunkered down during the COVID-19 pandemic. As Drake's house in Toronto serves as the site for the recording of one of the rapper's videos, Toosie Slide, we should see more of the Grammy Award-winning home and his real awards, for that matter, as they are all proudly listed at the beginning of the music video. When Toosie Slide leaves you wanting to see Drake's extra house in Toronto, the rapper shared many details. In an interview, Drake was asked which room he liked most in the house. Drake shared that his favorite place was his 3,200 square bedroom suite, which comes with another 1,100 square feet of covered fields. "The bedroom is where I get to calm down at the end of the night and where I open my eyes to catch the day," he said in the interview. "The bed allows you to float, the shower allows you to run and collect your thoughts, and the closet makes you want to talk to yourself while you dress." And after a brief look at the bedroom, we can fully see why this room will be a top choice for Drake. Drake's mansion was designed by Ontario-based architect Ferris Raffoli and was customized to fit Toronto's favorite son as a glove. And with so many house rooms left for Drake to take a gram, we look forward to seeing what else Drake's house has to show in Toronto. It is worth noting that Toosie Slide is not the only music video for this huge house that has been featured. Drake House, and its new name, as the rapper calls it, Ambassador, began appearing in the first 2 solo songs of 2020, revealed in a single music video, When to Say When Chicago Freestyle. The 2 songs, each honoring a different artist, the first Jay-Z, the latest Eminem, have very different settings, and part of the Chicago Freestyle is actually set in Drake's hometown of Toronto, and see the rapper come out of his real home. The scale of the room set the tone for the home experience, from the entrance to the main entrance, which is covered with solid limestone marble in Nero Marquina marble under the ceiling with the side of an ancient bronze mirror. The amazingly large room, which rises up to 44 feet high, raises even more volume. Elsewhere, a grand piano concert by Austrian acclaimed pianist Bosendorfer, co-created by Japanese musician Takashi Murakami and Raffoli, sits on a portrait of floor-to-ceiling Macassar panels mounted near brass screens, antique mirror beveled over. Drake's world is totally focused on music, so he wouldn't buy any piano. This precious thing is a real wedding of art and quality. The second precious stone of a large room is a monument to the Metropolitan Lobmeier chandelier, originally designed by Hans Harald Rath for the Viennese maker to decorate the Metropolitan Opera in New York City in 1963. With more than 20,000 pieces of hand-cut Swarovski crystal, the glossy light is the second largest implant in the world, and the exterior of Drake's magnificent new house looks like a palace, as the multi-million-dollar gate also has a garage for 10 cars and an open road to compile a collection of Degrassi character cars. It is definitely a house made in heaven. That's all for now, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want more content like this, click the bell icon for the most recent updates, and I will see you in the next one.